Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin mathematics classes. Maths had been difficult for the students because the fundamentals had been very weak. So today I am taking one of the fundamental operation of mathematics, that is addition. So let's get started. I am taking fundamentals of addition. Suppose there are two groups. They are same. Groups are same, but the collection of objects in that is different. Here there are 5 objects in this collection. There are 7 objects in this collection. So the collections have same kind of objects, but suppose one has bananas, other also has bananas. There are 2 different collections. One has 5 bananas, another has 7 bananas. And if we are going to add them, this one big collection will be sum of both the collection. That means 5 are also there and 7 are also there. So this whole will become our sum. 5 and 7 will be our addends. When we put objects of 2 or more collections together, it is called addition. When we put objects of 2 or more collection, then it is called addition. Here in these 5 and 7 are addends and 12 is our sum. And this whole statement will become addition fact. 5 plus 7 equal to 12 is our addition fact. Now in this case, addition of 2 numbers, when I am taking horizontal addition with which we start our addition in the lower classes. How we will be doing 10 plus 7? Most of the students do it by putting lines on the sides of their copy, but I will be teaching you in this different way. This is my starting point. 10 is my starting point and I have to take 7 steps ahead of it. That means I will be moving forward in my counting. Starting point is 7, that I will keep in my mind. Okay. So first I will be raising my 7 fingers. What is my second number? That many fingers I will be raising, and this number I will keep in my mind. So 7 is the next number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these many numbers I have raised on my fingers. 10 is in my mind. So what will be the forward counting? From which number I will start? I will start from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17, the last finger will be the answer. The first finger which I am taking will be the next number which had been given in the statement. So this I will keep in my mind. From next number onwards I will be starting. So count forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 10 plus 7 is 17. Addition of 3 numbers. When this is addition of 2 numbers, when we have to add 3 numbers, students mostly get confused in this, that 4 plus 6 plus 9. How to add this? So in this case, first you will add these first two numbers. Whatever will be the sum of first 2 numbers, that we will add to the third number. So first count forward 6 numbers. Now 4 is in my mind. Okay. First you will raise 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6. Now from 4 I will count 6 ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this up to here I have got 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Now this 10 has to be added further in 9. Is it clear? Up to here we have added 4 plus 6. So whatever is the sum, that we are going to add further in 9. So up to here I have got 10. So how many fingers I have to raise? I have to raise 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up to 9 I will be counting. How many numbers I have to count? 9 numbers. From where I will start? 10 is in my mind. From where I will start? From 11 I will start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this is my final answer. Therefore, 4 plus 6 plus 9 is 19. So up to here we have done addition of two numbers in a horizontal way, okay, and addition of three numbers in the horizontal way. This is the way we learn addition in lower classes. But as we go higher, the complexities increase. Now, why I am taking addition in my classes? Because I am in my classes I teach everything from the basics. If I have to teach you anything related to addition, I want my students to be clear about addition. So that's why I am taking this fundamental operation and with the very starting of it. Now next I am taking vertical addition. Okay, in vertical addition I am taking two numbers, 4 and 7. They both are single numbers. They both are single digits. There is nothing. They are in the tens place. In there. So this is ones place. Okay. This is my ones place. Tens place I have nothing. So on the tens place I will be writing 0 and 0. Is it clear? Ones place, below that we have 4 and 7. And when we will add 4 and 7, the idea will remain same. I will take bigger number in my mind and lower number in on the fingers. 7 is bigger number, so I will be taking that in my mind. I will be raising how many fingers now? What is the lowest number? 4. So I will be raising 4 fingers. So after 7, I will be count forward. 7 remain in my mind. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 will be my answer. Now since it is a 11 and 11 has ones place and tens place, so this one will carry forward to the tens place and we will write it in the answer below the tens place, not below the ones place. Ones place numbers will go below the ones place, tens place numbers will go below the tens place. We will follow the column method here. So this is again ones place, this is tens place, and I am adding 14 and 4. 14 and 4. 14 has two digits, ones place digit and tens place digit. So I will be writing 4 below the ones place and 1 below the tens place. 4 is single digit number, so that will come below the ones place only, and below the tens place for 4 we will have 0. Now when we will do the addition, 4 plus 4, 8. Nothing is getting carry over. It is getting over here only. 8, 4 plus 4, 8. And below the tens place, we will write 1 because 1 plus 0 is 1. So here comes some rules of addition. Now I am taking certain rules of addition which we have. There are certain norms of everything. I am taking rules of addition first. So 4 plus 6. There are two numbers. I am adding them in a horizontal way. It is coming as 10. Or may I write it as 6 plus 4? Answer is same. What does it mean? Whether I put the first group, second group first or first group at the second place, answer is remaining same. That means interchange of these numbers doesn't affect the answer. You can take a screenshot of it if you want. Otherwise, you can find them easily in your books as well. What I have written here, order in which two numbers are added. It does not change their sum because it's an addition. You are counting forward. Whether you take 6 plus 4 or whether you take 4 plus 6, you will be counting forward in it. And the number, how many numbers are there, that you will keep on adding. So sum won't get affected. The second is 0 in addition. Whenever we add 0 to a number, the number remains unchanged because 0 is not giving any forward counting to it. It is remaining at the same place. We are not moving ahead. So 6 plus 0 will remain 6 because we didn't move ahead, not even a single point. Same way 0 plus 10 will remain 10. Third rule is when we add 1 to a number, we go to the next number. Whenever we are adding one number to it, that means I am going one step ahead of my number. So what will be the answer? The very next number will be my answer. Like 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 7 plus 1, what is the next number of 7? 8. 9 plus 1, 10. I'm explaining you addition of two-digit number. The first example which I'm taking is 23 and 15. We have to add these two numbers. Now we know that 3 and 5, here in this 3 and 5, they both are at ones place. Since I'm following column method, so I will be writing 3 and 5 at ones place, 2 and 1 which are at tens place, I will write them below the tens column. Is it clear? Ones place number will come below ones place, tens place numbers will come below tens place. Here I will be putting plus sign, and then for my answer I will be putting this distance in between the two lines. First, whenever we do addition, multiplication, subtraction, the same rule follows. We move from left to right. From ones we will move towards tens, hundreds and thousands. So the first number which we will be solving will be ones place number. So in this case 3 plus 5, they both are at ones place. Then we will add them. Answer will be how to add. 5 will be in my mind, 5 and 3. Out of these two, I will be taking bigger number in my mind. And next number is 3. So I will be raising 3 fingers. Now after 5 I will be counting. 5 is in my mind. I will be counting from 6, 7, 8. So I will be writing 8 here. Is it clear? Since it doesn't have any tens place number, so there will be no carry towards tens place. We will be solving simply adding two tens place number which is given to us. 2 plus 1. 2 is in my mind. I have to raise one finger. 2 is there, the first number. So I will be starting from the next. And I told you, whenever we have to add 1, we go to the next number. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now in this case, we have 3 numbers. Okay, 11, 23 and 42. In all these 3 numbers, 1, 3 and 2, these numbers which are on my right side numbers are always the ones place number. Left side numbers are always the tens place number. So left side numbers all 1 from here, 1, 2 from the second number, 4 from the third number, 1 from the first number, 3 from the second number, 2 from the third number. So this way we will write them in column method. Plus will be in front of the last number which is below this line, which is above this line. So how we will be adding this now? First you will add these two numbers. Their sum will be added to the third number. So out of these two ones place number, which one is bigger? 3 is bigger, and I am adding 1 to it. So that means I have to go to the next number. So 3 plus 1, 4. I will write it here, or I will keep it in my mind. Whatever way is easy for you. It depends how much practice you have done. If you have practiced many questions, then you can keep this in your mind. Otherwise you can keep it written here also, so that you remember how to go about the next step. So now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2, because the third number is 2. When I will add 2 to it, I will be taking 2 numbers on my fingers. 4 is in my mind, 5, 6. So this answer will be 6. Is it clear? Now tens place number. Since there is no carry towards tens place number, I will be adding these numbers as it is. So how I will be adding? 1 plus 2. What will be the answer? 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 is same. So I will be taking 2 plus 1 as 3. And 3, then next I have to 3 plus 4. Because up to here what I have got? 3. I have got 3 up to here. So 3 plus 4. Whatever number is bigger, that I will be keeping in my mind. Next number I will be taking on my fingers. So 4 I am taking in my mind. 3 fingers I am raising. So what I will do? 5, 6, 7. So 76 will be my answer. Up to here, ones place number were not getting carried towards the tens place number. Now for the regrouping, I will be writing them in the same way. I don't know whether this question will have regrouping or not. This I will get to know after adding the ones place number. If the answer of ones place number, sum of ones place number, I am getting as 2 digit, then I will be taking that digit which is there at the tens place in the tens place column. Is it clear? This is called regrouping, that we are going to keep the tens place number of the ones place answer to the tens place column only. So how I will be doing? 9 plus 8. How I will be doing this? 9 is in my mind. Is it clear? 8 fingers I will be raising. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is I will be counting 9 ahead of this. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I am getting 2 digit place answer. 9 plus 8 is coming as 17. 7 is ones place, 1 is at tens place. So this tens place number, which is 1, will go here and it will be carried to the tens place number, and it will be done. How we will solve it? We will be adding all the tens place number. After adding these two numbers, I will add this number also in the answer. So how I will be doing? 7 is ones place number. So I will be writing here. Now 3 plus 2. First I will solve whatever number are given in the tens column. 3 plus 2, 4, 5. 5 up to here, and 1 is my carryover. So what will be the answer? 5 plus 1, 6. So 67 is my answer. Clear? Next if I am taking 3 numbers in regrouping, how I will be doing? I will be adding first to these numbers. 8 is in my mind, 6 fingers I am raising. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So up to here I have got 14. 14 plus 4. What will be my answer? 18. 18 is my answer. Out of this is at ones place, 1 is at tens place. How I have done? 18 I am getting. This is ones place and this is tens place. So 8 will go below the ones place. Is it clear? And 1 will go and get added to tens place. Is it clear? So how I will be doing? 5 plus 1 will be 6. From 6 I have to add 3. 7, 8, 9. 9 I have got up to here. After this 9, again if I am adding 1, what I am getting? 10. You can see that I am getting 10. That means I am getting 10 tens, which is equal to 100. So that means my answer will be now 108. Why I have written 10 here as it is? Why not this one has gone to any number? Because at hundreds place we are not having any other number. So 1, if suppose if I am not having any number here, so this will be 0, this will be 0. The same way we were having single digits and we were keeping 0 on the left hand side of it. The same way below the hundreds place they have zeros. They have not been given any number. So for that we will be adding 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 1 will come here. Is it clear? 10 tens will become equal to 100. So whenever we are doing addition and we are getting a carryover, we will take that carryover towards from ones to tens. That means if one's answer is coming in 2 digit, it will be shifted towards tens place, and if tens place answer is coming in 2 digits, it will be shifted to hundreds. Same way you can add 3 digit numbers and 4 digit numbers. And if you will find any problem in addition right from the basics, if anything is not clear, you can come and ask me in the next session. I will be taking that. You can leave that in your doubts. Now other thing which I am taking is in statement questions of addition. How will you get to know that which words will indicate you that this problem is telling me to add these numbers? So I am giving you few hints, few tricks. and few words to find in them. So let me write. First of all, whenever we have to add two numbers, they ask either find the sum of these numbers. That is the first statement problem. Then second, first is sum. Second is how many are there in all. That means you have to add. The third is how much this will be all together. All together means you have to combine. All together means you have to combine. Combining means addition. Is it clear? How many are there in all? How much how much it will be after we are taking all together. So these are few hints which you can find in your statement questions, and you will be finding these words there. If these words are there, how many there are in total, or what will be the total number. The fourth one is total. What will be the total in the end? So total reflects addition. So these are few hints which I am giving you. If you are finding problem in any of the question and in your basics, if some doubts are there, you can leave that in comments and I will be taking them and I will be solving them. All your doubts will be taken in my classes which are coming ahead. Thank you for your support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. I will be looking forward towards your comments. Please press the bell notification, and thanks for sharing. Thanks for learning, and keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.